Today in the shop, we got a pretty cool one. We're working on a 1977 Honda Express, also known as a Honda NC50. This Honda Express isn't just your ordinary Express. This thing is actually modified and has a lot going on for it. I'm actually planning on selling this bike. I was hoping to keep it for a little longer, but unfortunately, I need some cash because we've been doing a lot of big construction jobs in the shop. And one of the issues I'm having with this bike is that it doesn't start. Now, if you guys saw on one of my most recent videos when I bought 5 of these in one go, this bike actually was running and riding. So I was kind of surprised to find it not working already. It's important to not overlook any kind of issues, as simple as even just a bad spark plug. These Hondas are pretty notorious for killing spark plugs. I've had to replace so many after literally putting in a brand new one. So I went and first checked and made sure that we had spark, which we did. So that's a great start. And again, we did have this bike running not too long ago, so odds are this carburetor needs a clean. This bike was sitting for about 1.5 years, maybe even 2, of non-regular use, so this thing could be gummed up. If you're familiar with Honda NC50s, you'll notice that this is actually a Delorto carburetor. This is an Italian carburetor. It's a 1515, which is much larger than the standard Honda carburetor, so this is helping with that 70cc kit and that MLM pipe. Looking at the main jet, there's nothing really clogging it as of right now, but we're still going to go ahead and clean everything, give everything a really nice clean down and wipe down, and just make sure that nothing is in the way of causing this bike to not run. This is actually the first NC50 that I've ever had that was tuned up and did more than like 31, 32 miles per hour just going downhill. This thing is a monster. This thing does about 45 miles per hour on flat ground and can obviously go faster downhill. And with a little bit of work, just checking our spark plug, cleaning our carburetor, this thing, just like most other mopeds, is all ready to go. I made sure to check all the oils and brakes just to make sure that this thing was safe and ready to go. And since this thing is going to be for sale, I did want to give it a general wipe down. Don't worry, this is not going to be a detailed video. I just wanted to clean it up so I can at least take some pictures while I was out and about riding this thing and ripping it up. Honestly, there's a lot of really good areas on this bike. There is not a ton of damage. These Honda NC50s tend to rust in spots. You guys can see all over that frame that there are little spots of rust and even underneath that seat. But overall, this is a pretty generic conditioned NC50, and I'm not mad at it. And honestly, the 70cc and all the modifications really are the selling point for these, because these are common bikes. So, I know what you guys are thinking. This dude is riding this bike with one hand. Yes, very dangerous. Do not do what I am doing here. But I'm happy to say that I now just got a pair of those new Meta glasses by Ray-Ban, and I cannot wait to start using those so I can have both hands on the grips. But seriously, guys, check this bike out. This thing is insanely fast. I'm definitely going to miss it. One day I'll have to rebuild one of these exactly like this one, because I really do like this bike, but like I said, we're doing a lot of construction inside of the building, and I need a loft so I can have more room for parts and other large projects that I plan on doing in the future. So with that, guys, I appreciate you for making it this far in the video. This bike will be for sale. I'm offering it for about $1,200, maybe $1,100. But if you guys made it this far and actually watched this video, you guys will know I'll give you a special price if you mention this video. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having an awesome riding season. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. Maybe you guys can win some free stuff every month. Consider subscribing and ride safe.